Hello friends, welcome to our channel Statistician Hub. Myself Manas Sarkar. Today I will explain you how to draw a pie chart using R programming. Let us know about the pie diagram. A pie diagram, also known as pie chart, is a circular statistical graphic divided into sectors, each representing a proportion or percentage of the whole. The slices of the circle or pie to represent the specific categories that compose the whole. The pie chart helps the user compare the relationship between different dimensions. Example: categories, product, countries, etc. Now, uses of pie chart. Comparing categories. It allows for quick comparison between categories, highlighting which category occupies the largest or the smallest portion of the whole. Visualizing the distribution. It useful for visualizing the distribution across the categories and making easier to identify the pattern. Simplifying the complex data. Simplifying the complex data set by representing the information in a visually and easy to understand the format. Here we have taken a data of a infant mortality rates of different states of Northeast India. Now plot a pie chart with a R programming. Let us see on R code. Now we have to put a data on R console. First, what does R console mean? The R console means where we have to execute a data, and R editor means where you can input a data. Now we have to put a data on R console. Now put a color function on it. After that, we have to put a pie function here. We can see that our output has shown. Here the slices mean each slice of the pie chart, where the levels means the name of the each slices. The main functions means the heading of your pie chart, and the color function where we have already given that each slice has its own color. Here we have given that the blue in respect of Assam, and Nagaland in respect of red, and Arunachal green, and so on. Here, if you want to give a legend functions on your diagram, where legend functions means it is a list of information where you can see on your pie chart. Let us see. Here we can see that the legend function is taken out on your chart. Here the bottom left means the legend function is in your left of your chart, and levels where your Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal, Tripura and Mizoram in respective in your color, where the CEX function helps you to adjust the size of your text, symbol, other graphical elements, where we have also given a fill color with respective of your levels. It's all about the drawing the pie chart. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.